Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make afro beats from scratch. Alright, so let's do that right after the intro. The name is God Science, still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in the first studio. I'm gonna use tempo of 100 BPM. Then let's begin with our business for today. Alright, so I'm gonna load hypersonic. Alright, I'm gonna create some cool guitar chord progression. Alright, so let's use this one, some electric guitars. Go to the piano roll. Alright, so I'm gonna use that one. So let's make some cool chord progression here. Okay, you can watch my previous videos to know how to make chord progression. Very simple, guys. Alright guys, so this is the chord progression. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do next is to play with the chord progression. So I'm gonna press Alt S. I'm gonna play with this strummizer here. Watch my previous videos to know how to do this. Alright, something cool like this, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna highlight the bass notes. Alright, then bring them low octave to create bass. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do next is to highlight everything like this. Then we're gonna fill the other bar like that. So over here I'm gonna highlight this one, then send it high octave like that. Send this one to high octave. If you want to know how to develop chord progression, watch my previous videos. Alright, so let's listen. I really love that, guys. So let's move on, guys. Now that we have the chord progression, why don't we add some cool guitar melodies? So I'm gonna clone hypersonic again. Then this time, guys, I'm gonna select another guitar, so acoustic guitar. Very simple, guys. Let me try this nylon. Alright, so let's see. We're gonna follow the ghost notes. Okay, let's see. Very simple, guys. Simple, something simple. Bang. Very simple, guys. So we're gonna highlight this, then bring it here. Alright guys, make sure this is on the right note. Okay, so let's listen. Something simple, guys. So we're gonna highlight, then fill the rest of the bars like that, guys. Then over here we're gonna change the rhythm. So let's come to the last part. Let's see. Cool, guys, so let's listen. Very simple, guys, so let's move on. Alright, we're gonna fill that one here. Something simple, guys. I'm gonna split them, do it by channel, then we're gonna move that one down. Very simple. So guys, right after this I want to add some vocals chop to it. Okay, alright guys, so next thing I'm gonna do is to add some cool vocal chops. Let's see, something simple, guys. So I'm gonna use this, guys. Let's see. Then I'm gonna reduce it small. change this to song. Alright, I'm gonna repeat another one here. Let's see if we can add something to this one too. Alright guys, reduce the volume. Let's listen. Crazy guys. I'm gonna repeat another one here like that. I'm gonna reverse this. No. I'm gonna make this one unique. Make unique. Okay, then I'm gonna reverse this. Alright, so let's listen. Guys, let's take that one off. Alright guys, so this is the vocal chops. Let's listen. So I'm gonna route this to the mixer track so that we can add some effects. Okay, I'm gonna route the melody, everything to the mixer track. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Alright, so then I'm gonna add some reverb. Alright guys, very simple guys. Then I'm gonna add delay. Alright, fruity delay 3. Alright, reduce the weight, bring this weight off. Let's listen guys. Very simple guys. So now guys, so what I'm gonna do to the vocal chop, okay, is to add some cool reverb. But before then, I'm gonna EQ it. Choose this preset. Cool guys. Then I'm gonna give it reverb. Very simple guys. Let's listen. Okay, then I'm gonna route this one to the mixer track 3. Listen to this one too. Nice guys, so let's add everything. So right now guys, I feel like adding another melody, but this one I'm gonna use, let me code hypersonic again. I'm gonna use some saz. Okay, let's try this one. Let me go to the piano roll section. Alright, so guys, let's add some cool saxophone. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add some cool saxophone. So let's do that. Nice guys. Very simple guys, so let's do this. I'm gonna highlight everything guys. We want to keep everything simple guys. Hit Alt plus R, then we're gonna play with the velocity. Alright, accept. Then I'm gonna route this to the mixer track. Okay, it's even with the same on the same track too. So it's the reverb is affecting it. So now let's listen. Alright. Then we're gonna send this to high octave like that. Man, I like it guys. Nice guys, so let's move on. I really love that guys. I'm gonna split it. Then I'm gonna bring the saxophone here. Alright guys, so let's listen. Let me increase the volume a little bit. Guys, so right now let's add some cool drums, and I'm gonna use these drum loops from my drums. You can download it from the link in the description box. Alright, I'm gonna chop the SS here. Chop the SS. Alright. Now guys, let's listen. Alright, so guys, what I'm gonna do next is to add another counter melody. So I'm gonna clone hypersonic again. I really love hypersonic, guys. You know me, clone. I get everything that I want from hypersonic. Doesn't matter what you are using. Alright guys, so I'm gonna create some cool counter melodies. Very simple, guys. Then I'm gonna highlight them. I'm gonna bring it a little bit back. Guys, so let's place them here. Okay, make sure. Let's see. Nice, guys, I really love it. So now let's listen. So guys, I'm gonna split. I'm gonna bring the hypersonic here. So now guys, what I'm gonna do is to add some shaker loop. I'm gonna use this double click, change this to auto. I'm gonna play with the time. Alright guys, I'm gonna reduce that because there's already a shaker in the loop. Then we're gonna chop here. Alright guys, delete that one, then fill the bar here. Alright guys, so now let's move on to the mixer track. Okay, then over here I'm gonna place pretty soft clipper, turn this all the way down the post, reduce the threshold. Then guys, let's listen. Very simple. So with the soft clipper on your beat, it will give you automatic mix. Alright, then also make your kicks punch harder. So I call it the lazy way to mix. Then now guys, I'm gonna give it a little bit swing, about 30%. Alright, then I'm gonna introduce some drum fills. Let's introduce drum fill. Reverse this, reduce the volume. Okay, then we're gonna change this to none. Make sure it's on time. We zoom in, make sure it's on time, like that guys. Alright, then I'm gonna use this one. Take the clap. Okay guys, so now let's try and fix everything on time. Alright, I'm gonna change this to none. Zoom in so that we make sure it's on time. Nice guys. Then we change this back to beat. Then guys, we chop this one. Alright, we're gonna take it back like that. Very simple guys. Okay, let's trim this. Very simple. So guys, now let's reduce the volume a little bit, reduce the reverb clap. So basically guys, let's listen. Alright guys, so right now we have this. Why don't we add our bass? So I'm gonna use Fruity DS10. Then I'm gonna create like a piano groove block drums. Alright, so we go here, then we're gonna select this one. Okay, just play with this here. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna use one of the presets. Alright, you can download this preset from the link in the description box. Alright, so we're gonna create our log drums. Alright, so guys, let's add log drums. Don't make it more crazy, okay? Something small. I'm gonna duplicate everything like that. Okay, then I'm gonna send this one to here. Now let's listen. Nice, guys. So this is the log drum. Okay, so somebody asked me from a comment that you want to know what plugin I can use to make log drums. So we have this plugin, default Fruity DS10. All right, this plugin, then you choose from the preset log drum. Okay, so you can use this one to make your piano or afrobeat vibes log drums. Okay, then from the link you can download these presets. Okay, just use that. Very simple, guys. Now I'm gonna split that. All right, alright guys, so this is a little bit arrangement done, not fully. Enjoy. So guys, this is how to make guitar afrobeat. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like. The name is God. I see you in the next video. Stay blessed.